Hello everyone, welcome back to How2Hack. Today we are continuing with our API Pentesting tutorial in Portswigger lab. Today's lab is about exploiting server-side parameter pollution in a query string. A server-side parameter pollution occurs when an attacker is able to manipulate or inject a parameter, and the website embeds this malicious parameter into an server-side API request. This could override an application behavior. So our primary objective is to delete a user's account, that is Carlos. And here we can log in with our administrator account. Unlike the previous case, we don't have any password to log in. So let's see how we can log in. So this is a vulnerable application. Let's log into the account. So we have an administrator account, but we don't have the password. So let's go for the forget password. Let's make sure the website is running and it is connected with our proxy server. To reset a password, it is just asking for a username. So we have to provide our administrator username there. So a password reset mail is sent to our administrator mail. Let's see the response we have captured. And here you can see a forgot password endpoint is there with a get method. But we have two methods here, that's a get and a post, with the same endpoint, that is forgot password. So let's check for the post method. There we can see the type, email and the result. So let's go for the repeater. Here in repeater, I am going to send this method and check for the response. If it is getting 200 OK response, we can utilize that. I am just adding one more letter into the administrator username. So let's see what's the response we get. So since there is no user with the administrator queue, that's the username. So we are getting invalid username. To solve this lab, we have to get an idea about URL encoding. So while search on any URL, you can see there some percentage symbols and with some plus symbol also. This is an encoding that's converting our URL to a special format. We can see here, these are the proper encoding of this character, like a hash symbol with a value of %23 and with a %26. So this is an example of URL encoding. So I am adding some of the symbol with the username, which is quite common in every endpoints. You can see I am getting a 400 error. Now I am trying with an and symbol. Now you can see we haven't got any error, but a 200 response is coming back. I am trying with a hash symbol. We can see I am getting a 400 response, which is an error. Let me try with an and symbol. Now we can see I am getting a 200 response, which is a success, which means it's accepting an and symbol. And I am adding some random values after the and. But you can see there is no error coming up. It is showing a success response again. That is 200 OK. Which means whatever I provide after this and symbol, that's not an issue. But again, see the response of hash. I am getting an error like a field not specified. But if I provide any other symbols, I am getting a different error. So now I am trying to convert the and symbol into a URL encoded. Now I am converting and symbol to a URL encoded format, that is %26. From the previous error of hash symbol, I understand a field name is very important there. So that's why it is showing field not specified. So let me try it with the %26, that is an and symbol. Now we can see invalid field. So from the error we have to generate an idea. So the field is there, but it should have a different value. So we have to find some sort of server-side variables, so which we can make it as a brute forcing. And let's find out which proper server-side parameter is accepting there, and open your bug suite and forward this request to the intruder. So we have to clear the values and we have to make sure the proper field is been selected. I am providing the field equal X and I am pasting the payload here. The attack is in progress and we are getting a lot of 400 response. Once attack is been completed, we can arrange this with the status code. The two field values are accepted, that is email and username, which is providing a 200 response. Let's try the field name as email. Now we can see is accepting. Since that is not enough, we have to reset the password. So we have to check into our HTTP history. There we can see a static JS forgot password.js. This is the endpoint we needed. Just go to this one and here we can find an endpoint here that which is saying about forgot password with a reset token. So just copy this one. And I am providing the field name as reset token. Now you can see it generated a token. So we have to make sure this token we are copying it. And instead of the endpoint reset token, we will add the real reset token into there. You can see we got the password reset option. But that is not still enough. We have to reset the password and we have to log into the account. Then only we can delete the user Carlos. We have reset the password. Now we have to log in into the admin account. Username is administrator and the new password I am providing. Let's log in. So in the admin panel, we have an option for deleting the other users. So we are deleting the Carlos. And the lab is solved.